Hello, Club 1928 members. I just want to do a little unboxing of what came today in the mail for the D23 gold member gift. So this is how the box came. Now, I actually already unboxed it because, hello, it just takes a while to get everything open. But okay, so first, look at that retro Epcot-like moment. An orange bird. I mean, the cuteness factor of this packaging alone, I'm in love with. And right underneath that orange bird, I found this. So, oh my goodness, a real, retro looking metal lunchbox. Got a little orange bird there too. And you open it up to find these 5 pens and more about celebrating the 50th anniversary of Disney this October 1st. So, oh my goodness, I feel like I had this lunchbox as a kid. I mean, like, not this exact model, but certainly this like Mickey and Train and Donald on there. That looks really, really familiar. Anyway, so underneath here also was this paper. So again, very like yellowing colored paper, black and white. So I can't wait to devour that and read everything in it. Also came this 45. And I just love everything they did with this packaging, because look at that. It is a red, a red record, a red 45. And there you go. It is Beer Band Serenade and Nothing Can Stop Us. So we have some old mixed in with the new. Nothing Can Stop Us Now from Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. And then there's this pennant. Again, everything has that old vibe. Absolutely loving it. And of course, my gold member card. So the next time I'm at the D23 Expo and they say, hey, do you have a card? I go, why, yes, I do. So anyway, have you ordered your kit? Have you gotten your kit? Let us know. We're very excited. And, we have some things. We've been a little MIA through this COVID pandemic, but we're going to come back strong and bring you some great stuff to look at coming real soon. So thanks for being a member of Club 1928.